THINKOMINOS. We have this tray, 6 hexagon shape. Like you can see, we have 6 dots for each hexagon, different color. We don't have 2 times the same pattern of color. And the goal is simple. We need to place each hexagon on the tray and matching color. Donc if I have this blue, here I need red, but we don't have 2 times the same color. Donc this case that will be not correct. Okay, we need to find a way to do it. Starting maybe with this one. Okay, I'm going to take this one. Here I need a yellow and a purple. I have purple and yellow, but not in the correct. This one is correct. Okay. Okay, I need a green and a purple here. Green. Well, I'm already not good. That is impossible. Okay. Let me see. I'm going to rotate just to see if we can find a way to do it. Okay, I'm going to pass purple. I need to green and orange. Sorry, green and red. Green and red. And green and red. No. I have red and green, but not green and red. That's not good. Okay. Return. 2 times same blue. No, it's not good. Here, maybe this one like that. Okay, blue and green. Blue and green. I have blue and green. That is the only one. Okay, I need yellow and red. I got it. Oh, that's correct. No, I need blue and yellow. Blue and yellow and orange and purple. I don't have. That is not good neither. Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay, this one was not working. Let's see. I got an idea. If I start with this one. Okay, I need an orange, and a green on that side. Okay, I got plenty of green. I have this one. I have an orange and purple. Orange, yes, and purple, I got. Okay, I need orange and yellow. Orange and yellow. Yes. Oh, I got 2 possibilities. I have this one or this one. Okay, I'm going to try with this one. And here I need red and purple. No, I don't have. I don't have. Okay, and I'm going to try this one. Okay, here I need red and green. Yes. Red and green, and here yellow and purple. Yes, done. And that's the solution for THINKOMINOS. Until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen. Thank you very much.